Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is an unboxing video. So after a long wait, I have finally got the VOOK Air Mic. So hereafter I can make, hopefully I can make nice vlogging videos. So I was really excited to purchase this with my first YouTube earnings. And it's a wireless microphone that deliver professionally quality sound. The best part is that it doesn't require any app or Bluetooth to function. You can use it for vlogging, video lesson, interviews, and much more. The main features of this product is it is extremely compact and portable design, and it is built in lithium battery and ultra long operating time. And there is ENC technology on the transmitter to eliminate environmental noise, and also there is digital wireless transmission to deliver crystal clear sound. And then there is charging case for storage and charging, and also automatic switch to the external microphone. So these are the main features included in this product. Now I will explain you the products list included in this microphone. And there is a charging case, and then two microphone transmitter, one receiver, and then two charging cables, and then there is one type C to lightning adapter, then user manual. These are the 6 products included in this microphone. So now I will explain you how to use. So first step is connect the receiver to phone with the port, and then make sure that there is a red light is blinking. So the next step is take the transmitter and press the power button of microphone 3 seconds. The indicator light turns green, and then microphone is turned on. Friends, now I am opening this small box that contains 2 charging cables, and there is like one small port that can be used for connecting to iPhone, and that is the purpose mainly that included here. So you can connect this receiver with that small cable, and then you can connect to iPhone users. So this is specifically for iPhone users. So now we have opened these charging cables, and now you can connect the C-type port to the mobile phone, and then the another port to the laptop. So this will help you to record to the laptop. Now let's add the voice cleaner into your microphone. This will help you to get more clarity in your voice. So thanks for watching my video. I think this video will be helpful for you. Bye.